Hi, I'm Derek Fahey. I'm a trademark and a patent attorney with a Plus IP firm. So today I wanted to talk to everybody about a few things as a branding attorney, what we tell clients to think about when selecting a brand for their business or their product name. First, and most importantly, you want to make sure that the name you select is not going to be confusingly similar with another person's brand. So to do that, typically you do a clearance search. Why would you not want to have a name that's confusingly similar to another person's brand? Well, first off, if your name is confusingly similar with another person's or another business's brand, that actually could be trademark infringement and lead you into a lawsuit. That's a huge legal risk. You don't want to be doing that if you're actually developing a brand. It's just going to be a waste of time, money, and energy. Think about it. Spend all this money, energy, and time developing your brand, Instagram, wrapping your vehicles, all these different things. And then someone sends you an email or you receive a letter in the mail, cease and desist letter in the mail, or you receive a lawsuit, and now you're in a lawsuit over trademark infringement. Huge waste of time and money. It's going to be costly. Make sure you do a search. Secondly, reason why you want to make sure you don't have a name that's confusingly similar with another person's brand is because, think about it. If you have a strong brand or a very good quality of services that you provide under the name, that person may not have the same level of quality. So you don't want to be confused with that person's brand. It's not good. The second thing I like to tell clients to do when thinking about the brand name they want to choose for their business or product is think about selecting a strong mark. So in trademark law, there's actually strong marks and there's actually weak marks. There's a spectrum. Strong marks are words that are fanciful or made up or words that are arbitrary. What does that mean? Well, a fanciful mark is a mark like Xerox, so a word that's totally made up. It has nothing. It's actually just an invented word, a coined word. Those are the strongest marks. Xerox for computers. Apple for computers is arbitrary because the word apple, a fruit, has nothing to do with computers, phones, etc. Those are strong marks. On the other end of the spectrum are weak marks. Weak marks are words that you can't protect. Like if you, for example, have the word energy drink as your brand and you're selling energy drinks. So on the other end of the spectrum are words that describe exactly what you're doing or potentially are superlative. For example, great energy drink company. It's going to be difficult to protect because the word is superlative and also it actually describes exactly what it's selling. Energy drinks. Now, I do understand that there may be some considerations you want to think about, such as that you want to have good SEO, but legally speaking, that's a weaker mark. Another thing you may want to think about is avoiding last names and surnames. Words that are primarily a surname are difficult to protect. They can be protected over a period of time when the brand establishes what's called secondary meaning, but it does take time to do that. So if your last name, my last name is Fahey, F-A-H-E-Y, it's primarily a last name, it's going to be difficult to protect. However, other types of names that are not primary last name may actually be protectable. For example, if your last name is Hart, actually, that could be a strong brand because even though it could be a last name, it may not actually, it may also be another term like the heart in your body. So hopefully that was helpful. Those are some things I would definitely want to consider when developing a brand. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. Have a wonderful day.